Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change graphics settings in PUBG. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the PUBG mobile app on the phone. At the bottom right corner, there is a small arrow icon. Click on it. Tap on the settings icon. Tap on the graphics tab at the top of the settings menu. Here you can change the graphics quality options like smooth, balanced, HD, HDR and Ultra HD. Choose the one that works best for your device. You can adjust the frame rate options like low, medium, high, ultra. Adjust other graphic options like style, colorblind mode, brightness and non-standard screen if you want. After making your changes, tap apply or just exit. Your settings will save automatically. Restart the game if needed for changes to take effect. And that's how you can change graphic settings in PUBG.